right now. What up? What up? What up? We about to go see dolphins in Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Maribel, woo!
Dolphin Cove, woo!
Bro, Jamaica, Jamaica. Don't hurt nobody. Chill over there in the corner, Alright. Maribel's doing the robot. Maribel's punching the air.
So excited!
It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Alright? 8 o'clock. Why are you laughing at me?
For no reason.
Jamaica, Jamaica.
Jamaica, Jamaica.
Woo! Let me show y'all a little bit of Jamaica outside. Look at the palm trees. Oh, the cameras said they want to see me without my hat. How you doing? Everybody just laughing at me. They just hating, you know what I'm saying? They just hating. So the dolphins are like 1,000 miles away. No, I don't know how many miles, but we're gonna be on this coach bus for an hour to get there. It's in Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios. And
You know what that means?
no.
8 rivers.
We're gonna be in 8 Rivers today. And I think this is the end of this video. So everybody, we're signing off. And we're gonna finish our vacation in Jamaica, Jamaica. Welcome to Jam Rock. Doom, 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 doom.